Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you the video micro off-road microphone shotgun, mini shotgun. Works perfectly on my Huawei P20 Pro because I saw a lot of videos on YouTube. I even searched for it and none of them is working, but today I found the solution and I'm going to show you. So stick on my video and I will show you how it works. Yo, as I was saying, this tutorial works on any C-type or Huawei phone. It works perfectly on this Rode micro video. This very good mini shotgun, perfectly. But at the very first time that I used it, it doesn't work on my Huawei P20 Pro because it has its own cable that it's only TRS. It doesn't fit with my, because inside of this cable it's a TRRS, so it doesn't work. So I buy this TRS to TRRS. But guys, I'm going to show you first on the other tutorial that I've watched on YouTube. They let you buy this audio splitter. Don't buy it because it doesn't work. Either of them doesn't work. So it's a waste of money. So don't buy it. And some other tutorial, they will let you install an application just to make this microphone video works, but it doesn't work either. I accidentally found the solution, but first thing you need to do is buy. I bought it on Amazon, this TRS and TRRS cable. So this Huawei, it has its C-type with the TRS inside. So what you have to do is put this TRS on your Rode, and I have this that I'm using. You have to put it here. Check. Make sure that you will hear a click. You will hear a sound that it's already attached. See, I hear that. Okay. So I'm going to. Okay, I'm going to show you how. I will put my C-type adapter cable, whatever you call that. Here you can see headphone. So it doesn't. It means that the microphone is not attached, and I accidentally flip it up. This is the original one. I flip it. I accidentally flip it right there. Jack, and then boom. You will see a headset with a microphone icon on the upper top of your cell phone. So it means that it's working. And that's it. And I hope you like this tutorial. Fast and 100% working. I hope you like this video, and please subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my video. And have a nice day. And yes, it's work even on iPhone. I already try it on I already tried it on any iPhone phones, and it's working perfectly. And bye bye, and see you next time.